Welcome to this video from Dr. Lock. So today we've made keys to this Estima. So unlock, lock, and I have tried starting it, but it hasn't been started for a while. As we can see, the immobilizer light is flashing. So with all Toyotas, as soon as you put the key in, the immobilizer will go off if it's programmed to the car. So that's what we're waiting for. And we are done. Light is not flashing. So this has absolutely no fuel in it. I've already tried starting it before. There's the immobilizer light. Kind of runs, but there is kind of no fuel in there. So anyhow, if you need keys made to your Estima, this is like a Tarago but an imported version of it. 0413 120 444. Give you this nice flip key remote. This is for the new Toyotas like my Toyota. But anyhow, thanks for watching.